realtor and credit repair expert. Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita, and I'm back with another video.
We're talking. So with this one right here, you guys, I know they're referring to the Navy Federal, NavyFed.org. So listen, you guys, I told you guys when you want to sign up for the NavyFederal.org account, when you guys want to sign up for a Navy Fed account, all you have to do is just let them know, hey, my granddad was in the military, and they're going to automatically let you through. They should not ask for paperwork. And if they ask for paperwork, let them know, hey, my granddad is deceased, or my grandma is deceased. I do not have the information for them anymore, or my dad is deceased. I do not have the information for them anymore. I'm telling you, when I signed up for this account, they did not ask for any proof. And you know what? After it's a few companies, I want to get them on the line and record them, and I'm going to have it in my personal class where it's not going to be like out for the internet. You guys will be able to see that, but I don't think they're going to ask you for any proof. All you got to do is just go to the website and let them know, hey, I want to sign up for Navy Fed, and then they should be able to take your information on the phone and sign you up over the phone. And I believe I have to put like $5 down. They have to set up you a savings account, and then you have to keep money into your savings account. But I think I signed up for their savings account, I believe, and I just put like $5 down. Then I end up signing up for a credit card with them, and then I end up putting like $500 in my account also. So just sign up with them, call them, and see. And this is what I want you guys to understand too. If somebody tell you no, maybe just hang up and start back over. Oh, I'm sorry, I thought I just misunderstood her what she said no last time or something. Try again. Try again. Like when it comes down to removing them hard inquiries, somebody may say, oh no, we're not going to remove the hard inquiries. But if you keep calling back again every day take like 30 minutes and call back to back to back to back, and you're going to see that those are going to come off your credit reports. It's the same thing when it comes down to even like the Navy Fed. Call them, and they should not ask you for like what's proof of this, what's proof of that. They should be able to go ahead and just get you signed up right away. Like when I called, they just got me signed up right away. I didn't have to go through extra. I didn't have to go through, oh well, let me get proof of this or let me get proof of that. Or anything they wanted proof of was my identity. They didn't need anything about my granddad. But definitely sign up for that account, you guys. And like I told you guys too, when it come down to that Navy Fed account in 6 months, they were saying that they're going to give people that $2,000 credit card. So even if you start off with like a $200 or $250 credit card, they're still at the 6 months. If you paying on time, keeping the balance low, doing what you need to do, they're going to go ahead and get that $2,000 account.
Thank you so much for finishing my video. If you like this video, make sure you check out these 2 videos on my right. There are more videos as a part of my channel where I talk about real estate and credit repair. And if you guys are really interested in boosting your credit score, think about joining my exclusive membership where I actually have exclusive live videos and you guys can get access to free credit repair.